Hey guys, if Marvel Rivals keeps crashing or freezing on your Windows PC, don't worry, this is actually something that can be fixed. So first, simply start by making sure your GPU drivers are up to date. So to do this, simply go to Nvidia, AMD or Intel's site and grab the latest version. Or you can also use GeForce Experience if you have an Nvidia card. Next, you can also try running the game as an administrator. So to do this, simply right click on the game shortcut and select Run as Administrator. So this often stops any random crashes. Now another tip is to simply try clearing the game cache. So simply check the game's installation folder or use any in-game repair option to fix the corrupted files. And also try closing any unnecessary background apps because too many running programs can overload your PC and cause freezes. So after these steps, Marvel Rivals should run smoothly, letting you jump back into action without any crashes or lag. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.